Are you looking for the best electric whiskey smoker kit? We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me right there. So this right here is your simple instructions right there. Just a simple like quad panel piece of paper. Let's see, you got a box in a box here. We got a little doohickey here. We got all the goodness right here to be able to give it different kind of flavors. We'll go through all those. Wow, you get a lot of them in here too. Jeez Louise, you get 8 different kinds. That's fantastic. I love that. Let's see, and then we have little metal cubes right there, so you can cool those down. What is this, more? Jeez, you get more. There's 10 of each of those right there. I guess that's nice because you can kind of test out which flavor you like the best. And then you got these little guys right there to little rubber container. Alrighty, that's everything that's in the box there. Let's see, we're gonna open that on up. This right here is your main unit. You can see that you have your USB-C port on the front right there, so you can easily plug this thing on in, and you can be able to get power to it. Does it work without power? No, you have to have power to it. Okay, I'm assuming what's in here, the box in the box, is going to be the cord for it. Oh, and some extra thingies. What's else? What else we got? Okay, so you got the little spoon right there, so you can scoop out what you want to use. You got a little wire brush right there to be able to clean some things. And then your USB-C to USB-A cord right here to be able to operate this thing. Let's see. I'm going to go through this real quick. So this right here is going to be your top cover. That is where you're going to put your little chips in there. You can see the little electric probes right there. That's what's gonna light it on fire to get the smoke going. And then there is I want to point this out, there's a little lights on here as well, so if you want to have like a little ambiance or whatever, you simply have 2 LEDs on the back right here, and you can change different colors, which is super cool. Oh, never mind, I thought you had to have this thing plugged in, but no, it's battery operated. We can see that we have 99% of battery left onto there, and look, those are those LED lights that are lighting up for y'all. Super cool. All right, I just had to hold down the button. I didn't realize that I had to hold down the button to be able to get this thing fired up. So let's go ahead and let's see. I'm gonna turn it off. Open this, and let's see. Let's go through the different flavors that you get here. You have oak, you have peach, you have pear, you have apple, pecan, walnut, cherry, beech, cypress, and sakura. So you get a whole bunch. I like how they give you a good mix of like earth-toned ones plus fruity ones, and that way, you know, if you're having a party or something, you want to be the guy doing the thing, you can kind of tailor it for what each individual person wants. So that's super cool right there. All right, so now open the top cover of the machine, add wood chips until the container is full, then cover the cover and press the button to operate. Okay, which one are we going to do? Let's go pecan. I think I'm going to like pecan. Oh, and these are full too. Look at that. Full to the max right there. So we'll take our little spoon. Pop some of that on into there. It says to fill it, so let's go ahead and fill it nice and good. All right, I'm going to say that that's pretty well full right there. Let's go ahead and cap that so it doesn't get all over the place. Just like that. All right. And then now we're going to close. Long press the power button, enter standby mode. Display current battery level. Short press again to enter the working mode. Single working time of 30 seconds can be manually stopped. Working status 1 intake, 7 ignition, 4 intake, 5 ignition, and 5 intake. Okay, so let's hold that down. Okay, so we got that going. I got a cup right here so we can kind of test this thing out. Look, come on down. And then I'm just going to short press. Okay, it's giving me a countdown right here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'll let that continue. Automatically shut down after 2 minutes of standby mode. Press and hold the shutdown button. Note, please fill it with wood chips when using it. If the wood chips cannot reach the ignition point during use, please add more wood chips. I'm wondering if I didn't have enough wood chips in there because it didn't. I don't see any smoke coming through yet. Okay, standby mode. Display the battery level. Okay, working status. Display duration. Power status. If 10% is displayed, the power charging station. Full display 100. Okay. Bottom light effects. Okay, we don't need about the bottom light effects there. Okay, let me try this again. Let me open this. So yeah, my wood chips are touching the little probes right there. So let's go ahead and close that up again. Press it. Oh, I see it. I see it. Can y'all see that? All that smoke coming up through there? It's really hard to... Let me see if I can turn off the lights right there. Y'all might be able to see it a little bit better. I can smell it too. Smells good. Okay, so I'm going to let that... I should just leave it on there now that we got it going. Okay. Very, very light. Okay, now I'm curious to see what this looks like on the inside. Okay. I'm going to do it again. This is kind of fun. I like the little light experience that you get from here as well. Okay. Give it another press. Yeah, I see the smoke. It's very, very light. I see it on the inside now. Y'all see that coming through? Yeah, y'all can see that. You can see it in the lights. So the LED lights really help to kind of give it a little bit more of a mood, if you will, which is super cool. And now you have it all nice. Look, y'all can see all that right there. Nice and infused in there. Oh, that is super cool. And then to be able to turn it off, you just simply long press on that right there, and you are good to go. This is awesome. Y'all are looking for an electric smoking set for your whiskeys? Y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these right here. Now, they do make it, I believe, with all the different kinds of flavors. And so if you're looking for a particular one, definitely go and check out the product listing below. And they should have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best for you. But y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you're looking at. This is really, really cool. Oh, the last thing are these little the cubes right here. And I've used one of these whiskey smokers before, but it was like a butane one where you're eventually going to run out of butane. I like how this one is all electric because you just simply recharge it on up and you don't have to continuously get new butane. But that's those weighted ice pieces right there, metal pieces right there to give it. You can put those in the freezer to cool them down if you want to do that. But yeah, like I said, y'all need to go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you're looking at. This is super cool. Great like Father's Day gift or a gift for your dad, anything like that. So let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys picking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart if this is something that you want. And thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.